Civil Rights Act is the law of the land, and the question confronting us is, what shall our reaction be to the law? Every indication is that the citizens of North Carolina will obey the law. This is a result of a good climate of tolerance and understanding which exists here. I think it's a wonderful credit to the people of the state. Everybody can be sure this new law is going to be tested in the courts, and very soon. But in the meantime, as law-abiding people, we must rely on the established legal procedures in the courts and not on force of any kind. Force and bitterness are not in keeping with the North Carolina tradition. We must not let such feelings control our actions. Before the enactment of the Civil Rights Law, many of the cities and towns in North Carolina were making vigorous voluntary efforts to provide much greater opportunities which the Negroes sought. At the state level, we had established the North Carolina Good Neighbor Council in recognition of the justice of the Negroes' pleas for better economic opportunities. The council has been conducting a program planned to increase job opportunities and to sharpen the skills of all who might be able to fill better jobs. This work must continue if substance is to be given to the larger measure of freedom for all people. I repeat a statement that I made some months ago to the following effect. Now is a time not merely to look back to freedom, but forward to the fulfillment of its meaning. Despite great progress, the Negro's opportunity to obtain a good job has not been achieved in most cases across the country. Reluctance to accept the Negro in employment is the greatest single block to his continued progress and to the full use of the human potential of the nation and its states. It is my hope that the spirit which has characterized much of the work that has been done in the interest of racial justice in the past several years in this state will survive and be strengthened, and that the Negro leaders will manifest their own sense of increased responsibility. They should recognize that the federal statute cannot accomplish for them the economic advance they seek, and that they will need the goodwill of employers to reduce the economic disparity they suffer now. My appeal to our people of both races is unchanged, therefore. That appeal is that we honor the law, that we deal justly, love mercy, and walk humbly before God. That way we will find peace and the kind of progress that can enrich all our people, both spiritually and materially.